If you don't have a food processor, why don't you have a food processor? That's the question. It is 2022. Invest in kitchen tools that are going to help you lose weight, girl. Stop being cheap. You could get a food processor for $30 from Walmart. It's going to help you make all type of cookies and all type of good stuff. So I got some fresh mushroom. I don't measure anything, so as much mushroom, as much walnuts as you want to use. You're basically making a meat sauce, so the food processor is going to grind that up, mix it up, pause if you have to. This is a cheap food processor, so I had to, I got this from Walmart, so I had to, stir it up, mix it around, turn it back on, pulse it. It's pretty good though. It got the job done for sure. I'm using oil here. If you want to make this oil free, it's up to you. Oil can be, very calorie dense, but I'm using it because it's a meat sauce and it's already a low calorie meal. I want my meat sauce to be super rich and good. So basically, this is not meat, so you don't have to cook this down. You really just need to toast it and kind of warm it up and season it up. So garlic powder, I added some parsley, I think I added thyme and rosemary, the dry herbs that you would get from Walmart or wherever. No fresh herbs here. Tried to make this as quick as possible. I use pink salt and red chili pepper flakes, onion powder. Like I said, season it up however you want. I've seen people put red wine vinegar in this. It's up to you, whatever flavor you're going for, however you would season your ground beef, so to say. Like I said, this is not meat, so you're just letting it toast about 4 to 5 minutes. I have this on medium high and I'm just mixing it up, making sure the texture is good. Also, mushrooms is basically water, so you don't want to cook it down too much and then it's just all mushy. Like I said, just toast it medium high and mix it around. You can use any marinara sauce you want, and I got this sauce from Aldi's, and yeah, this is what I chose. How much ever sauce you want to put in this, I use the whole jar. I have some capellini, some zucchini noodles. I cooked both of these separately, salt, pepper on both. I basically warmed up the zucchini noodles. You don't have to boil them, just warm them up. And yeah, this is the end result. Super, super quick. By the time you food process everything, you're good. As you can see, it looks like a full plate of heavy ground beef, a bunch of heavy noodles, but no, half of the plate is zucchini, which is super low calorie. The other half of the plate is walnuts, mushrooms, and red sauce, which we know that's not equaling out to the same amount of calories as meat sauce, which would be super high in calories and cholesterol and all that other stuff. And then you just got a little bit of capellini on there, some regular pasta. I use gluten-free. You can use whatever pasta you want. But yeah, this is super low calorie, super tasty. I'm telling you, it's gonna bust. If you try out this recipe, let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.